Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Hope you had a great weekend so far. Making another video for you guys. We have made it to day number 18 in the Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge, right? So if you guys have not been following these videos, we're taking the traffic from the Miley Gen Secret service and we're grabbing an offer from Clickbank. We're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can create some magic, get some traffic, and in the end, get results, get a sale. All right. So if you guys don't know what Miley Gen Secret is, I'm gonna go over to the platform. Miley Gen Secret System is an email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. So these people that are coming into the mileage and secret system, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. So what we do as affiliate marketers is we go out and we grab offers that are related to make money online. We create an email using the free email swipes from Clickbank, or we're going to, go to Chat GPT and create our own customized email and send that out to this traffic along with your affiliate link, so you can in the end get the result. Okay, get the sale for sending out that email. All right. So if you guys want to get started, my lead gen seeker is very inexpensive to get started. Okay, I've been with them over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you guys it does work, and it does convert. Okay, the only thing is that this traffic is cold traffic, so these people excuse me, these people have to get warmed up to your emails that are going out. That's the only thing. So you got to give it just a little bit of time for you to start seeing, the progress and people looking at your emails and everything like that, and the clicks. Okay. If you do want to get started, I did leave a link below this video, guys. And in the description. Okay. So if you guys go here to the description here to one of these videos, you just go down here where it says more. Right here where it says join my Legion secret system. You can join here, and then also the other program that I promote that make earn a little bit more income with that, which will I don't want to tell you about that right now. We'll get into it later, but if you want to look at it, you can go to truefreedomincome.com. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. All right. So this video is pretty much just only about my Legion secret system and the ClickBank challenge. I'm making this challenge, which is a 365 1 year challenge that we're going to grab one offer from Clickbank. Now, if you go back to the beginning of this channel, I was promoting different offers, showing you that different offers do work. Okay, but for this specific channel, specific challenge, okay, or excuse me, we're going to promote one offer on Clickbank, okay, and we're going to promote that for 1 year, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income from it. All right, so it's going to be very interesting, okay, guys, and I want you to follow along. That way, you can see me go from 0 all the way up to 365, and we can see what kind of results that we can get. That way, if this is something that you want to do, you guys can go out and do the same thing. All right. So I'm just basically doing all the work for you guys now, just kind of let you know how this works. That way you can decide if you want to get into it, and if you want to make, earn extra income for your family, you can do that. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing this offer because it's the easiest thing to do. And it's the most inexpensive thing to do. Okay. Now, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a monthly fee of $30 to keep the service. All right. Now, the cool thing about the mileage and secret system, you can get as many accounts as you like. And what you could do is you can sign up for one. So if you sign up at the link below, and then once you create your account, your back office is going to look exactly like this. And if you guys want to get multiple accounts, all you got to do is go to the home page and grab your own customized affiliate link. Okay. You take that, you sign out of this, and then you put that into the browser, you copy and paste that in there, and you sign up again under your own account. Okay, so that way the monthly fees that you're paying each month for these accounts, you're getting a kickback, okay, that you can use to go towards the service. You can use that to go pay a bill. You can do whatever you want with it, okay? But every time that you make a payment, though, that there's some money of that payment is coming back to you, okay? So that's why a lot of people like to get multiple accounts, and they like to stack them on top of each other, okay? That way you can be the one getting the money coming back, all right? So this is how your back office would look if you guys were to sign up. It's going to look exactly like this. Only thing that's going to be different is the emails that you guys are sending out. All right. So everything else is going to look the same. Okay. So you got my leads, which shows you the emails that are coming in. Today is April the 27th. As you can see, we're doing this in real time. I did get 200 brand new leads today. All right. Now I sent out an email before I shot this video, just for the sake of this video. That way we can save time, because I don't want to waste any of your time here, guys. But I did send out an email, and I was able to send out to 200 new people that never seen my email before. Okay, which is pretty cool. So I'll get these every single day. Okay, as long as I'm staying with the service, as long as I'm paying for the service. All right, which I would recommend you do. All right. So master email swipes. These are email swipes that you can extra emails that you can use to promote whatever it is, that whatever offer that you want to promote. But what we're doing is we're going to use the free offers, the free emails. Okay, from the vendor in Clickbank. All right, and I'll show you where those are. All right, mailing system. This is kind of where you're going to be at. This is where only thing that you need to worry about is the mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay, guys. So you would pretty much come here. Okay. Now, when you get started, you may have 100 to 200 leads. 400, 500, maybe even 1,000. Okay. If you've been with them for a week or something like that. And all you would need to do is click on where select the last leads that you got coming in. Okay, what that's going to do is transfer those leads over here to the portal. So it's going to load them up. Whenever they switch from over here to over here, what happens is one email that you send out is going to go to all of these people. Okay, so what we're going to do is just send out one email, just like Gmail. If you know how to send out a Gmail email, Microsoft, whatever you use for your email service, if you know how to send out an email, you can do this. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. Super easy to do. Show you how to do it. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is a network marketing platform. They have different niches that you can pick from, different offers that you can be an affiliate for. Okay. And once you be an affiliate for those offers, okay, you will earn a commission every time someone signs up and promotes it. Okay. This is the only place that you can go. This type of network platform where you can go, where the offer is already built for you, the commission is already set for you. All you got to do is send that offer over to someone who is looking for that problem. All right. So the traffic that works the best with the mileage and secret system is going to be e-business, e-marketing. So if you go in here and you send out something with cooking or home and garden into this traffic, it's not going to work. They're not going to buy anything from you. Okay. So you want to come over here to e-business and e-marketing. These first three offers is what you will want to stick with. First four offers. Now you don't have to actually promote the offer that I'm promoting. You can promote different offers if you like. Okay. Write out reviews is what I've promoted before. Paid online writing jobs, promoted that one. And this one right here is get paid to use Facebook. This is another good one right here. I've promoted that one, but what we're going to do is we're going to promote this one, live chat jobs. And the reason why we're promoting live chat jobs, because this one has a rebill, okay, of $20 every month. So all we got to do is do the work one time. Someone signs up, they're going to get billed over and over and over again for $20 each and every month. So what we're going to do is we're going to get multiple people to sign up and get multiple $20 payments, right? So it's very, very exciting, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to set up this method so you guys can start receiving those commissions. So what we would do is we would go to the affiliate page. We're going to grab the free email swipes. Okay, so right here it says email swipes. If you look right here, just click on that. And then you want to come down here. And today we have made it to day number 18 in this challenge. So we're going to go here to 18, guys. We're going to grab this email. Okay. And where it says subject line, you just grab a subject line. Super easy. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Subject line, Control V. Boom. You see how easy that was? All we did was paste it into the subject line, guys. Come down here to where the body is. You want to click on perfect timing. That way the email goes out whenever that person is looking at emails. Okay. You want to come back over here to the swipes. And then we want to grab this body right here. Okay. So you just want to grab this. And then we want to grab all of it all the way down to the bottom. Control C. Now this link right here that you see, this is attached to this. Okay. So the cool thing about these emails, why I like sending them out, is that each and every email has a dedicated affiliate link to go with it. All you got to do is right here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. All you got to do is put in your affiliate ID. Okay, that way you can get the commission whenever this email goes out. Pretty cool. All right, so what we want to come here do, Control V, copy that in. Take out where it says signature. They want you to put in either your name, either your name or management, whichever one you want to use, and you want to come up here where it says hi name. We want to address our prospect by their first name. So this is an embedded code. That way, when this email goes out, it addresses um, our prospect by their first name, so it makes it more personable. Okay, so right here where it says click here, all these bold text letters where it says click here, we want to turn those into clickable links. All right, so you want to come here to the link tab, and remember this is the link that goes with it. All right, so you want to grab this link. Okay, Control C, come back over here, and then Control V. Okay. So what you will want to do is you want to take out this affiliate, Clickbank affiliate ID, and you want to put in your ID, whatever that is. Don't put in Jermaine. Okay. Put in your affiliate ID, whatever that may be. Okay. Go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see here, what that does, it turns this into a clickable link. So when our prospect sees it, they're going to click on that link. Okay. I think there's another one in here somewhere right here. Boom. So you just want to take that, guys. Boom, and grab that, and then Control V. And remember, we want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. That's very important that you put that in, because imagine sitting, you start working, you start getting thousands of people in the mailing system, and you send out an email, okay, and it goes to somewhere else. It goes to maybe Clickbank, okay, because if it's not right, it's going to be routed back to Clickbank, and they're going to earn the commission and not us, okay. So we want to Control A. And what I like to do is make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys feel comfortable with. And then you want to come down here. You want to proofread everything, okay? And you want to make sure everything is nothing's misspelled. Make sure your name is in there. And like I said, you want to make sure that embedded code is in there. And there's going to be a send now or a preview. So you want to click on preview. And when you preview, you want to click on these links and you want to make sure they're going to your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. Your own personalized Clickbank affiliate ID. You want to make sure you're going to your own personal little website. Okay. So you just want to click on that one, make sure that one works. After you verify that those links work, all you have to do, guys, is come down here and click send now. Okay. And what's going to happen is going to turn into this right here. Okay. So every day, every 23 hours, right? You can come back in here and you can send out another email. Okay. So that's what we do. We come in every day. We send out an email at whatever time. Me, I like to send mine out at night, or sometimes in the morning. It just depends on what I'm doing. Sometimes I'll send them out every morning, or sometimes I'll do it every night. It just depends on what works best for you, and your schedule. Okay. But right now I'm sending them out at night. All right. That way, tomorrow morning, I don't have to worry about getting up, waking up in the morning. Those emails are going to go out. People are they're already going to be in their inbox for someone when they wake up and get ready to look at emails. Okay. That's why this perfect timing is good, because it's going to hit their inbox whenever they're more than likely looking at their email. So that's why you click on perfect timing, right? So you want to come here. You already sent that out, guys. This is how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret System. It's very easy to do. Just wanted to show you guys how to send out that email. And that's day number 18's email that we sent out. Tomorrow we'll come back here and we'll do the same thing. Okay. We're going to do the same thing for 365 for a whole year, guys. Okay. On sending out emails and seeing if we're getting results and seeing how much money we can make with this thing. Okay. Now, real quick, I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything at all, because I don't know if you're going to go out, purchase the, sign up for the My Lead Gen Secret System. I don't know if you're going to stick with it. I don't know if you're going to get multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to send emails every day. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you follow what I'm telling you to do, okay, you go grab multiple accounts, you get anywhere from 2 to 3 to 5 accounts. Okay. That's the sweet spot. If you grab those accounts, guys, and you start sending out emails every single day without missing a beat, you will see progress. I guarantee you that. Okay. So This is how you send out an email. Let's go ahead and go over. We sent out an email last night for day number 17. So let's just come in here and see how we did from yesterday's results. So you would go to the reporting tab, and you want to select on the correct date. Right now it's already on April 27th. So today is the 27th of April. We did get over 1,000 hops today. Okay. And 634 unique hops. Okay. So this 634 unique hops, these are brand new IP addresses that came to our page, and they were interested in our service. Okay, and then we got one person to go to the checkout page, and they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy. In our case, we didn't get any sales today, and we didn't get any actually commissions that from the free trial. Okay, now if you guys noticed yesterday in yesterday's video, we did get a sale. Okay, so that commission will be coming in the next 2 days. All right. So we should be looking for that around Tuesday, for that commission to come in. All right. So we're going to we sent out an email today. I'm shooting for getting a sale tomorrow. Okay, from that email. But the whole thing is that this traffic, like I said, is cold traffic. It has to get warmed up to our offer. Okay, so you cannot expect to get sales right off the back because these people don't know who you are yet. Okay, they're not familiar with you. Okay, they're not familiar with me. Right, I got to send out. I've sent out so many different offers. I got to stick with one offer, and you just stick with it and you put it in front of their face over and over and over and over again. Okay, it takes they say that it takes a person at least 7 to 10 times to see an email, to see a service or a product before they even think about buying it. Okay, so we got to get in front of these people. We got to hammer these emails into to them every single day. That way they can say, "Hey, man, this guy is sending out emails every day, and let me see what this is about." Right, and that's what end up happens. They're curious, and someone, when they see your email, they may not even sign up till 3 days later, 4 days later, 5 days later, a week later, right? 2 weeks later, somebody may see your email that don't even check their email that much and finally get to your email and they decide to buy. Okay, so you never know which time someone is going to buy, but that's why we send out emails every day that we're always in someone's inbox. All right, so I'm going to leave this video on that note. Just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email today and have the results from yesterday's email. Okay, we got some traffic, guys. Everything's we're cooking. All right. We just got to get this list warmed up to us just a little bit more, guys, before we can start seeing those sales get closer to closer. Okay, because what you're going to see is, as you can see on these, let me show you something real quick. So let's go ahead and go over here. Now, as you can see right here, okay, see how these sales are spread out. Okay, now eventually we'll have another one coming in as these progress, but you see how they're kind of spread out. What's going to end up happening, right now they're spread out because we just started with this offer. So eventually what's going to happen is that you're going to see sales every single day. Okay, these sales are going to get closer and closer and closer together. And the thing about the rebuilds is that once we finish out our first 30 days of this service, what ends up happening the next 30 days, these same sales are going to come in automatically. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so on top of these sales that we already made, we're going to get new sales that are coming in. So what we're going to do, we're going to double our money. Okay, the next month after that, we're going to triple our money. Okay, and then after that, we're going to double, triple. You know what I mean? So it's just going to be a snowball effect on these payments, these rebills, and they're all going to stack up to where we can start earning a full-time income, a nice little income, weekly paychecks coming in. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, guys. I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.